This is Rahim Zulfikar Ali. In this video tutorial, we will learn and explore about the shapes in Microsoft PowerPoint. So you can insert a shape from two places. Either you can go for a drawing group, which is available in the Home tab, from where you can just click on shapes and you can insert your desired shape. Or you can go to the Insert tab, and in the Illustrations group, you will find the Shapes feature also there, and you can select your appropriate shape and just draw it on the slide. So after drawing the shape on the slide, when you click on this object, the Shape Format tab will be enabled, where you can do a lot of different kind of customization in terms of shape styles, word art styles, arranging that shape, or changing that shape. Now let us understand the shape in more detail. When you click the shape, which is the object, you will see some dots at the corners or at the border of this particular shape. These are the drag and drop which resize the shape. So when you click your mouse left key and drag and drop, or you expand that shape, it will become smaller or larger, and you can fit accordingly as per your requirement. You can also rotate the shape as well. So as you can see here, there is an arrow which is a circled arrow. So when you hover your mouse and click the left key of your mouse, and slowly when you hold it and change the position, so you can rotate the shape to the 360-degree, right? So you can do this as well. Even if you want to change any curve of the shape, so what you can do is go to the Shape Format tab, click on Edit Shape, and click on Edit Points. So when you click on Edit Points, now you can see that there are 4 points each of the corner of the shape. This will vary when you have a different kind of shape on your slide. So when you just drag it little bit inner side, the shape will start changing, right? So you can change these points of the shape as well. Moreover, when you right click this from this contextual menu, click on Format Shape, where you will find a Format Shape, all the detailed options, advanced options here. You can explore, you can fill with a different color like solid fill, gradient fill, or a picture or a pattern, different kind of pattern. Or you can also do some customization for this shape line as well as a solid fill or gradient color. You can also type some text inside this shape. Right click on this shape and click on Edit Text, so you can type whatever you want to, and then you can also go to the text options and start doing the customization with respect to text fill and text outline. Now all these options are also available on this ribbon, which is called the shape format as well. So you can do a lot of customization in terms of giving a shadow to this object, or changing the size, or changing the position as well. So there are different kinds of positions are available with respect to the shape, and this will vary in terms of which kind of shape you are using on your presentation slides. So I hope you understood that there are a lot of options available with respect to shape, and you can customize by your own and create a creative kind of shapes which match your presentation styles and theme. Thank you.